Can I share a secret with you? Recessions create more millionaires than any other times in history. Okay, but why? Let's break it down. First, if you're new here, hi, my name's Charlie. I became a self-made millionaire at the age of 35, and I am here to help you make sense of investing and the stock market so that you can also build real wealth, but in a quiet way that doesn't follow the hype and would send all the finance bros into a spiral. So if that sounds good to you, follow along and let's go. So why would a stock market crash or a recession create more millionaires than any other time in history? Well, when the economy slows down, people start to panic and they start selling. So they pull their money out of the market. They stop investing and they start waiting for things to quote unquote feel safe again. But those of us who invest for the long term and those of us who understand the system and how it works, we see what's really happening during these times. And let me tell you, we get excited. Why? Well, every time the government prints more money to save the economy, the value of that money drops. So the value of the dollar drops. Therefore, it takes more dollars to buy the same thing. Homes, gold, food, even stocks. That's what's called inflation of assets. It's why in the long run, prices always continue to go up. When prices fall during a recession, smart investors don't run, we buy. It's like Black Friday for investors because we can go shopping. We can get a great deal on stocks that we would already want to purchase at a discounted price. We know the market won't stay down forever because the government can't afford for it to. The lower interest rates, they'll print money, which is what they're currently doing right now as of the date of this video, and they will do everything possible to get the market up again. So markets go up and down. A crash happens usually every 2 to 5 years, somewhere in there, but it always comes back up. So if you just stay in, don't panic, invest for the long term, keep your money in stable, well-established companies like the S&P 500 companies and low-cost index funds, you will be just fine. That's why those of us who invest during a downturn, not out of fear, but with patience, end up owning more and making more money when the inevitable recovery starts again. So that's the secret. Millionaires aren't made when everything is going great. They're made when everyone else is too scared to act. So what choice are you going to make? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, you can find more investing resources in my bio, and have a great day.